Hi guys, looking at the Bat Hero Gold Blaster again. In the previous episode we had a look at the steering, took it apart and had a look. In this episode we'll have a look at the gearbox, and then in the next episode we'll have a look at that bit which opens the doors. I don't expect to see much in here. It is just the gearbox, electric motor at the front, and a series of gears to gear it down to drive the back wheels. I expect we've got to undo that as well. So far all the screws have been the same size, which is handy. Is that going to lift out? Yeah, that's going to lift out. I need to free up a bit of cable. If you haven't watched the previous videos, this is a wire controlled car. That's the controller. So, as I say, motor at the front and a series of gears. Looking in there I can actually see exactly what we've got. Motor's got a crown gear on it, sorry, a pinion gear on it, then it goes into a crown gear at right angles, and then a couple of reduction gears so we can actually power the motor. Let's see if we can get it apart. It's clipped together. Trouble with clipped together gearboxes is they have a nasty habit of the clips breaking when you try and get it apart. We might be in luck. Okay, why do they always come out upside down? Right, really not very much to see there. That's the crown gear, as I'm calling it, because it's shaped like a crown. Oh, I'll zoom in a minute. Right, so motor with a pinion gear, I believe it's called. That sits there, and then crown gear. So can we do this? Yes, we can. We can hold everything out of the way. Right. So that turns that gear. That gear turns that gear. That gear turns that one. And that's the back wheels turning. But because it's all going to fall out when I'm trying to demonstrate. Okay, so that's the general idea. And obviously if that had been in place, then it would have turned. So yeah, nothing spectacular, just a straightforward reduction gearing to turn the back axle. The difficult bit will be, can we get that back on without it all falling apart? Nope, they're going to pop out. Okay, so that was the motor and gearbox. A fairly short video. Next video, as I keep promising, we'll have a look at that bit that drives the door opening mechanism. Oh, and obviously these lights, these wires here go down to the front lights, which light up when it's moving. You might have noticed those were very thin gears. They're not going to take a lot of power. Not going to be going and putting a LiPo battery in this and making it go fast. That will only last for seconds. Oh, I'll screw it back together off camera. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.